platypuses lay eggs? Hello, did you know that platypuses lay eggs? They are mammals. But they still lay eggs. They have flat tails and webbed feet. They live near rivers in Australia. Repeat after me. Did you know that platypuses lay eggs? Repeat after me. Did you know that platypuses lay eggs? Do you think the platypus is a strange animal? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. See you next time.